You bought your truck for the utility, the space, and the freedom it affords. So don't you want a truck bed cover that gives you the ultimate control over your truck bed? The UnderCover Flex is the most versatile, hard-folding cover on the market. It allows full access when you need it, or maximum security when you don't, without ever having to remove the cover. Its multiple riding positions allow you the flexibility to use your truck, well, like a truck. Ride with your cover closed for full coverage, buckle it down for riding with 2/3 access, or propped fully open for riding with absolute access to your bed, never coming into contact with your cab. You can unfold the Flex from either side of the bed, and operating the cover is easy. Pull down on the pull cord, and our slam latch system goes into action, releasing the panel from the mounting rail. Then flip panels back individually until you've reached optimal access space needed to retrieve your cargo. And when closing, merely fold the panels back to the tailgate. Let the slam latches do the work. If your tailgate locks, your bed is now fully secured. Installation is simple, no drilling required. Made of high-density FRP material, making it both lighter and stronger than your typical aluminum folding tonneau. And it comes backed by a 3-year warranty. So why limit the way you use your truck? Take control of your truck bed with the UnderCover Flex.